We're super excited about our latest customer review. We work very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for them and all of our customers, providing the best service possible for now and in the future. We strive hard to achieve this. Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value our business and want to show you why. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.